Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we are going to install some of this KOHLER quiet close, quick release, the toilet lid. So if your old toilet lid keep on banging here and there, this will be the extra set for your restrooms. So you gotta make sure this one is an elongated toilets. So if you have a smaller one, this will not fit for you. So make sure you get the right size. By the way, I got this at Costco. Original price was like $24.99 each. Right now it's on sale for $19.99. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you guys on how to install, remove the old one and then install the new one. And here's the instruction. Come with these parts to install it. I'm not sure why this silicone piece this time around we had to install it. So okay, come with the bolts. Oh, so this one's like a plastic, kind of like a wing nuts. You screw it in like this. This one goes on the bottom, this goes on the top. Pretty nice design. So this is on the bottom. You need to install those two pieces in here. So it needs a Phillips screwdriver or a flathead. I don't need a pliers. This is a hand twist style. So the toilet could be very dirty, so I'm gonna wear the other glove. I didn't wear it because I had to unbox it. So this is the toilet that we're gonna replace. So you need to open the cap. So those are the flathead screwdriver type. So I need to loosen those up.
Yeah. Yeah. Con sẽ về là người
Good. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any in the comments below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one as always. Peace.